I got some chicken thighs already clean. I'm gonna start with my flour. Make my flour. Purple flour, cornstarch, all-purpose season, Celtic salt, sea salt, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper. All right, we whisk this around. Sour cream chicken. All right, let's start going with the sour cream. Some Cajun seasoning. Black pepper. Celtic sea salt. Garlic powder. Onion powder. Smoked paprika. All-purpose seasoning. Let's see what I'll be able to mix this up with this. So, really, I'm trying to avoid putting my hand on it. Okay, cool. I did it without putting my hands on it. So now you got to let it marinate for about 4 hours. Now, I hope I ain't pull out the smallest skillet because I got 3 thighs. Let's go in with this avocado oil. Y'all better come on. I'm leaving y'all. All right, I'm get all that. So you know it was a long process. I can show y'all this one. All right, I'm turning them over. All right, got them all turned over. Let it cook on this side for a few minutes, and then we're gonna take them out. There we go, here, right. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all tomorrow or the day after that. Bye-bye for now.